other chapter, the next chapter, like the chapter we are dealing is dental auxiliaries or dental ancillaries or the dental manpower. It is called as one other the same. So the topic, like we have what is dental auxiliary. What do you mean by dental auxiliary and the definition? And this topic is covered in detail under like classification. What are operating? How the auxiliaries have been classified. Classified as operating auxiliaries and non-operating auxiliaries, and expanded functions of dental auxiliaries, and what are frontier auxiliaries and new types of dental auxiliaries. So introduction. What is dental auxiliary? A dental auxiliary is a person who is given responsibility by a dentist so that he or she can help the dentist. So whoever the person has been given responsibility by a dentist is called as dental auxiliary. A dental auxiliary is a person who is given responsibility by a dentist so that he or she can help the dentist in rendering the dental care, but who is not himself or herself qualified with a dental degree. So they are not at all qualified by a dental degree, they just only help a dentist to render a dental care. So the WHO conference in New Delhi in the year 1967 has been classified dental auxiliaries as operating auxiliaries and non-operating auxiliaries. So the non-operating auxiliaries are again classified as clinical and the laboratory, whereas operating auxiliaries are also are classified. So according to the revised classification, there are two kinds: operating and non-operating auxiliaries or ancillaries. So the non-operating ancillaries are your dental surgery assistant, dental secretary or receptionist, then dental laboratory technician, and your dental health educator. These are all the persons are non-operating ancillaries. So whereas your operating ancillaries are your school dental nurse, your dental therapist, your dental hygienist, and expanded functions of dental ancillaries. These are the persons, these are the individuals or operating ancillaries. So what is dental surgery assistant? Who is dental surgery assistant? So he is a person, this is a person who assists the dentist with his clinical work but does not independently carry out any procedures in the mouth. So he doesn't carry any procedures on his basis, or he doesn't carry any procedures individually. So he works under he just assists the work of a dentist. So the functions of dental surgery assistant are smooth running of the clinical area, management of instruments, like passing on the instrument whichever is required to a dentist, and cleaning up the equipments and materials required, and cleansing, sterilizing and recycling of the instruments or recycling of the materials, and supply instruments to the dentist at the chairside. These are the detailed functions of the dental surgery assistant. And he also takes care, or he also looks after the general well-being of the patient before or after the surgery, and patient receptionist and appointment making duties and clinical work are also done by the dental surgery assistant. So once the dental surgery assistant has come into the picture, the job of a dentist has become a little bit easier, and it is called as a four-handed dentistry. So whenever the dental surgery or dental procedures are carried out, the dental surgery assistant sits behind the patient, opposite to the operating area, to a position little bit higher to the operator's position, so that he can have a clear view of the mind or procedure carried out, and he can assist with the passing on instruments whichever is required at a frequent interval of time or correct procedure, so that by this way the dentist can render a dental care which is more appropriate, and he can concentrate on the field for a due period of time. So the dental surgeon assistant sit closely beside the supine position of the patient, and the assistant anticipate the instruments and materials that are required and pass them to the dentist. He is so close and coordinated, he sits in a coordinated manner so that each treatment procedures can be, all the procedure it can be coordinated easily. And operating area must be well organized and contain equipment of the suitable design. So these were the functions and the duties of the dental surgery assistant. Now coming to the dental receptionist or dental secretary. So he is a person, or dental receptionist, this is a person who assists the dentist with the secretarial work or patient reception duties. Mainly they do the clerical work or the reception duties. Functions are guiding appointments after counseling the patients, and they should have the knowledge of materials used in the clinic, and to maintain the accounts book of a clinic. So these are the functions of the dental receptionist or secretary. Now coming to dental laboratory technician. So what does dental laboratory technician do? The dental laboratory technician is a person, usually a male worker,